greatest integer function, a concept which you should be well versed with for definite integration as well as continuity. Let us quickly understand what happens in a greatest integer function. As the name says, it is the integer value on the number line which has already been crossed. So, greatest integer for 0 is the same, for 2 remains the same, for 5 remains the same. Similarly, for minus 2 and minus 5 is same. But having said that, for pi 3.14, which comes over here, the greatest integer crossed is 3. And for e 2.71828, the value crossed is 2. But in the negative part, students, for minus pi, that is minus 3.14, the greatest integer crossed is minus 4. And for minus e, which comes over here, the greatest integer crossed is minus 3. Now, this similar question was asked in specimen 25 from 0 to root 2. Understand, my limit for x is going from 0 to 1.5. So my value of x over here goes from 0 to 1.5. But the answer for x square, student, is 0 and 2.25. So what are the integer values here? Well, 1 and 2. If x square is 1, x will be 1. If x square is 2, x will be root 2. That's it. We break my integration from 0 to 1.5 as 0 to 1, 1 to root 2, root 2 to 1.5. What is the greatest integer value for 0 to 1, which is 0? What is greatest integer value for 1 to root 2, which is 1? And your greatest integer value from root 2 to 1.5, which is 2 dx. You go ahead with your definite integration for this particular part. Similarly, look at this sum. I am giving my integration to the first sum, which is an odd function, the answer for which is 0. My x over here goes from minus 1 to 1. The answer for which greatest integer my answer will also be minus 1 and 1. The greatest integer here is also my integer value 0. So if x is 0, the original value was also 0. I break this up, my limit from minus 1 to 0 and from 0 to 1. From minus 1 to 0, the greatest integer was minus 1, and from 0 to 1, my greatest integer was 0. This is exactly how you break the sum. Go for definite integration and get your answer.